Alex Williams saw the body on the pavement as he approached Madison Street and Pulaski Road in October 2012. Claude Snelligan had been shot once in the back of the head for running afoul of the Black Souls, a street gang that operated a violent drug empire in its corner of Chicago's West Side, Cook County prosecutors say. Noticing an opportunity, Williams, a longtime drug dealer and police informant, called his police contact and then Cornell Dawson, reputed to be the Black Souls' top leader. When Williams said he had seen Snelligan dead, Dawson just told me it was a good day in the hood, Williams testified. As the trial of 6 alleged Black Souls leaders neared an end Tuesday in Cook County's first test of a state racketeering law, prosecutors hammered again and again on that line, a good day in the hood, in closing arguments. Jurors began deliberating late Tuesday afternoon after listening to nearly 2 months of testimony. Snelligan's slaying sparked a lengthy investigation codenamed Operation 40 Cal, after the caliber of the gun that killed him. Williams secretly recorded hundreds of hours of conversations with the alleged Black Souls leaders. Police compiled evidence of slayings and beatings stretching back decades. The probe culminated in 2013 with the pre-dawn arrests of about 20 people. All but the 6 defendants on trial ultimately pleaded guilty. The Black Souls terrorized their corner of Chicago for years, Assistant State's Attorney Thomas Darman told jurors in a crowded courtroom, likening the gang to a business with a hierarchy that enforced its rules with violence. But attorneys for the 6 defendants called evidence of a sophisticated drug enterprise tenuous and warned of sweetheart deals that led to many of the prosecution witnesses to testify. In addition, they criticized the poor quality of the recorded conversations, telling jurors to be skeptical. Joining Dawson on trial are Taryn Odom, whom Darman called the vice president, Devon Spears, alleged to be a gang enforcer, and Antoine Davis, Ulysses Polk and Clifton Lemon, all described as managers. All face charges under a state racketeering law that allows prosecutors to hold gang leaders accountable for the actions of underlings, allegedly multiple slayings, and an expansive drug operation. In this case, the trial unfolded on a mammoth scale at the Layton Criminal Court building. Jury selection alone took almost 2 weeks. More than 100 witnesses testified, and in excess of 800 pieces of evidence were introduced. Judge Michael McHale's usual courtroom was too small to accommodate the crowd of attorneys, so the case moved from week to larger courtrooms. Extra sheriff's deputies provided security, and spectators had to pass through a metal detector outside the courtroom's entrance, as well as in the courthouse lobby. Jurors will be sequestered overnight at a hotel until they reach a verdict, McHale said. Prosecutors alleged that Snelligan's hit was emblematic of the Black Souls' violent business model and execution in retaliation for telling police months before his death that Odom beat and robbed him. After Odom was arrested and jailed, Dawson reached out to Snelligan, offering him $3,000 to drop the allegations, prosecution witnesses testified.